sitting down in here. Really wondering why I have the case of the burbs. It's totally annoying. It's a real close view. It's like Saturday morning. I'm chilling in the house, really not wanting to do anything, but just chilling in my free time. It's one of those times, guys. Just chilling. What do you guys do to relax? Sorry for the noise in the background. As I said, it's Saturday and my son is chilling. What place do you guys go for your quiet place? For me, I'm in New York, so depending on where in New York you live. Well, my place is big. I was about to say, New York apartments. That's a lie. My place is okay. As far as space, the bathroom is my safe space. It's my personal space. I don't want to show you guys right now the whole entire bathroom because I'm in the process of just cleaning it. But I was like extremely burping. So I said, let me just sit for a second and give you guys some time. So yeah. What are you guys gonna be doing this weekend? Constant. I kind of have an issue with the burping now because I go out, I do different things, and sometimes when I'm talking, that happens. And I don't want to do that when I'm talking to somebody. Like, it's not cool, it's not cute, it's not something that I'm doing on purpose. It's actually becoming annoying as I keep going. But I can't help it at this point. And somebody was asking me like, oh, is this a side effect of the VSG? And I'm like, well, it was a side effect. I don't know if it's a side effect because not everybody goes through it. It usually happens when you eat too much. I've said this 1,000 times, but I haven't eaten today. And so I'm not quite sure what's going on. So I'm going to figure it out. Until then, someone told me that burping to them is something that they like to hear. And so I just made a video about it and just showing you guys what I go through. So you guys have a great day, and I'll be back. Bye.